Hi there, I'm Alan Bean and welcome to How To, where we give you tips and tricks just to make your life just that little bit easier. Right, today's video is all about how to share a video on Zoom. Now, you may notice that behind me I've got all stars and the earth floating about behind me. I'm actually using one of Zoom's features, which is the green screen feature. And if you're interested in finding out how you can do that, there's a little link appearing just above my head in a minute, which if you click on that, that'll explain exactly how to do that for you. Now, what I would ask is if you can hit the subscribe button and the like button if you find benefit of this video. The reason why I ask for subscribe is because that way you'll get to see any other videos that come up that might be helpful to you. And the like button, well, YouTube just love it. Right, let's get on with this video because it's very, very simple and easy to do. First of all, to share your screen, you click on that and you'll notice here I've got Movie TV there open behind me, a video that I've got to play. And that's just running in the background on this screen at the moment. If I then choose that and also share the computer sound, if I click on share now, you've got that there. I press play and you get the video. Okay, so it's simple as that. You press the stop share and you're back to whatever you were producing before. Hopefully you found that of benefit. Very, very straightforward, very, very easy to do. The two things to remember is when you're sharing, make sure you've got that share computer sound clicked on, and before you start you've got the video in the background somewhere to share. If you can do that, that's all you need to do. So hopefully you found that benefit. Don't forget to hit that like button. Really do appreciate it if you can do that for me, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.